Hello everyone, welcome to the class. In today's class, we will continue this exercise 18.2 up to question number 5, number 1 we had completed in the previous class. Okay, uh, in today's class, we will be doing from question number 5, number 2. This exercise is based on complementary relations of trigonometry. Okay, so first question number 5, number 2 is sec 29 degree, cosec 61 degree plus 2 cot 8 degree, cot 17 degree, cot 45 degree, cot 73 degree, cot 82 degree minus 3 sin square 38 degree plus sin square 52 degree. You have to find the value of this. Okay, this is find the value. Find the value. Okay, first let's see this pair. Formula I have written here. Okay, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta sin theta, sin and cos they have complementary relation, tan and cot they have complementary relation, cosec and sec they have complementary relation. I have already explained you this in previous videos. Sec and cosec they have complementary relation, and 29 and 61 they have complementary relation. 90 minus 61 you will get 29. Okay, so out of this two you convert one only. Okay, either convert numerator or denominator. So if you convert this bigger angle, then it will be easier for you. In previous class also I taught you like that, isn't it? I taught you to convert the bigger angle. I suggested you to convert the bigger angle. Okay, so I'll convert this. Among this pair, I'll convert the denominator. Okay, since this angle is bigger than this. Now cot 8 degree, complement of 8 is 90 minus 8. 90 minus 8 will be how much? 82 degree. Where is 82 degree? This and this, they are related, they have complementary relation. Okay, so this I'll convert this, since 82 is bigger than 8 degree. So here complement of cot is tan. 82 is 8 degree, so we got tan 8 degree. Here we have cot 8 degree. Tan 8 degree you can write 1 by, okay, you got tan 8 degree. Okay, and this is cot 8 degree. Cot 8 degree you can write 1 by tan 8 degree, and here you have tan 8 degree. So this and this gets cancelled. This is numerator and this is denominator. So this and this you convert it and cancel it. This and this gets cancelled. Okay, one time. Next, this 17 degree, complement of 17 is 90 minus 17 will be how much? 3 minus 1 is 73. 73 is here. So among these two, they have relation, they have complementary relation, cot 17 and cot 73. Okay, I'll convert this. It will be tan 17 degree, and this I'll write 1 upon tan 17 degree, and that gets cancelled. This cot 45 degree is a standard angle. Okay, cot 45 degree is a standard angle and its value is 1. So this and this gets cancelled. Here you got 1, here 2 we got plus 2. Okay, and here minus 3 sine, and this side sine. Complement of 52 is 38. This will be cos 38 degree. So sine square 38 degree plus cos square 38 degree will be 1 by using square relation. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Okay, so your 1 plus 2 minus 3. 3 minus 3 will be 0. Your answer will be 0. Okay, so let's do it step by step. First of all, you have to simplify the given thing, or you have to plan what you are going to do in advance. Okay, first of all you have to do some mental calculation, then only you proceed. Okay, this sec 29 degree I'll keep as it is. This cos, complement of cosec is sec, and complement of 61 is 90 minus 61 is 29 degree. 90 degree minus 61 degree is 29 degree plus 2. This I'll write 1 upon tan 8 degree, because why I'm writing like this? Reciprocal of cot theta is tan theta. Cot theta is 1 upon tan theta. This we have already done this type of problems. Okay, we have already used reciprocal relations in previous classes. since I'll get tan 8 degree from here, okay, so into this cot 17 degree I can write 1 upon tan 17 degree, reciprocal relation, into cot 45 degree means 1, cot 45 degree, value of cot 45 degree is 1, okay, into this complement of cot is tan, complement of 73 is 90 minus 73 will be 17 degree, into okay, this complement of cot is tan, complement of 82 is 90 minus 82 will be 8 degree, minus 3 sine square 38 degree, I'll keep as it is, this is a smaller angle, I'll convert the bigger angle only, okay, plus complement of sine is cos square is as it is, complement of 52 is 90 degree minus 52 degree, it will be 38 degree, 38 degree, okay, this and this gets cancelled to one time, tan 8 and tan 8, since here is multiplication sign everywhere, so this and this gets cancelled, tan 8 and tan 8, and this also gets cancelled, tan 17 degree, tan 17 degree, okay, so this will be equals to here 1 is left plus 2, here 2 into 1 is 2, into 1 into 1 into 1 will be 2 only, okay, minus 3 sine square theta plus cos square theta, theta is 38 degree in this case, is equals to 1, so 1 plus 2 minus 3, 1 plus 2 is 3 minus 3, it will be 0, so your answer is 0. In this way you have to simplify, okay, so let's move on to another question. Next, question number 6. Your question is, express each of the following in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 to 45 degree. You have to express this between 0 degree to 45 degree. Okay, here you have 81 degree, you have to reduce this, okay, and you should get below 45 degree. This 72 degree, it should be reduced to in the range of 0 to 45 degree. Okay, just it is expression, no need to simplify, no need to find the value, just you have to reduce this angle and it should be less than 45 degree, okay, so it is equals to complement of tan is cot and complement of 81 is 90 degree minus 81 degree, so it will be how much, 9 degree plus cos, the complement of cos is sine, complement of 72 is 90 degree minus 72, 90 minus 72 will be 18 degree, 18 degree. This is your answer. So we have reduced the angle theta between 0 to 45 degree, 9 and 18 degree, okay. Next, question number 2. It is cot 49 degree, cot 49 degree plus cosec, USCC cosec 87 degree. So this is your home task, okay. So it will be complement of cot is tan, complement of 49 is how much, 90 minus 49 will be 49, here 1, 8 minus 4 is 4, 41 degree, and here cosec, complement of cosec is sec 87 is 3, complement of 87 is 3. So tan 41 degree plus sec 3 degree you will get, okay. Next question is question number 7. Without using trigonometric tables, prove that. Number 7. Without using trigonometric table, you have to prove number 1, sine square 28 degree minus cos square 62 degree is equals to 0. You have to prove this, okay. So it is very, very simple. LHS, left hand side, you have sine square 28 degree minus cos square 62 degree. This will be equals to sine and cos, they have complementary relation. 28 and 62, they have complementary relation. So convert this. Complement of cos is sine square is as it is. Complement of 62 is 90 degree minus 62 degree. How much? 8 minus 28 degree. So here we got sine square 28 degree. Here also we have same sine square 28 degree minus sine square 28 degree is 0. Proved. Okay. So this will be sine square 28 degree as it is minus complement of cos is sine. This square is as it is. Complement of 62 is 28 degree. So this and this gets cancelled. So 0. Cancellation means subtraction. Okay, this minus this is 0. Proved. Next, number 2. Number 7, number 2. You have cos square 25 degree plus cos square 65 degree is equals to 1. You have to prove this. So left hand side, LHS, cos square 25 degree plus cos square 65 degree. So this, they have complementary relation. Okay, let's convert this. Since this 65 is bigger than 25, so cos square 25 is as it is plus complement of cos is sine. Here cos and sine, they have complementary relation. Okay, complement of cos is sine. Square is as it is. 65 is 90 minus 65, it will be 25 degree. So cos square 25 degree plus sine square 25 degree is 1, because cos square theta plus sine square theta is equals to 1, and in our case theta is 25 degree. In our case the value of theta is 25 degree. So proved. Question number 7, number 2 and number 3 and number 4 is your home task. Question number 7, number 3 and number 4. 7, 3 and 4 is homework. Okay, now let's move on to question number 8. Question number 8, number 1. Question number 8 is also you have to prove. Okay, prove. Number 1, you have sine 63 degree cos 27 degree plus cos 63 degree sine 27 degree is equals to 1. We have to prove this. Okay. So left hand side, LHS, sine 63 degree cos 27 degree plus cos 63 degree sine 27 degree. This is your left hand side. Okay, sine and cos, they have complementary relation. 63 and 27, they have complementary relation. So I'll convert this. Okay, so here you will get cos 27 degree, and here you have already cos 27 degree. Cos 27 into cos 27 is cos square 27 plus this is bigger angle, so I'll convert this. Here you will get sine 27 into sine 27, sine square 27. So cos square 27 plus sine square 27 degree is equals to 1. Proved. Okay, this will be complement of sine is cos 63 is 90 minus 63. 90 minus 63. 10 minus 3 is 7. 8 minus 27. Okay, 27 degree into, if there is no sign you write it multiplication sign. Okay, that means multiplication sign. So cos 27 degree plus this will be complement of cos is sine 63 is 27. Complement of 63 is 27 degree into sine 27 degree. So cos into cos is cos square 27 degree. 27 degree. Don't multiply the angles. Okay. Cos 27 degree into cos 27 degree will be cos square 27 degree. don't multiply these angles. Don't write 27 into 27, and don't write this, whatever comes the value, don't write here, okay? Plus, yes, sine into sine is sine square 27 degree. So cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1 because of the formula square relation, okay? Write it, because cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1, and theta is equals to 27 degree in our case, okay? Question number 8, number 2. You can do it on your own. Question number 8, number 2. You have sec 31 degree, sec 31 degree, sine 59 degree plus cos 31 degree and cosec 59 degree is equals to 2. You have to prove this. Okay, left hand side LHS. Sec 31 degree sine 59 degree plus cos 31 degree cosec 59 degree. Okay. From here, see, sec and sine, they don't have complementary relation. Sec is here, sine is here. Sec and cosec, they have complementary relation, okay? And sine and cos, they have complementary relation. So these two, they don't have complementary relation, but the angles, see this angle 31 degree and 59 degree, they have complementary relation. 90 minus 31 will be 59. If you subtract this angle from 90 degree, you'll get this, or if you subtract this angle 59 from 90, you'll get this. And same thing this side also, okay? Cos and cosec, they don't have complementary relation. So this bigger angle I'll convert sec 31 degree, I'll keep as it is, okay? Excuse me. Sine complement of sine is cos 59 is 90 minus 59, it will be 31 degree plus cos 31 degree into cosec 59 degree. Complement of cosec is sec 59 is 31. Complement of 59 is 31, okay? You cannot multiply these two angles, you have to use a reciprocal relation. Sec and cos, they have reciprocal relation. You can write this as 1 by cos 31 degree. Sec theta is 1 by cos theta. That formula I have already given you, okay? Into this is cos 31 degree plus cos 31 degree, you can write 1 by sec 31 degree into sec 31 degree as it is. This and this gets cancelled, this and this gets cancelled. So it will be 1 plus 1. Here 1 and here 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Proved. Proved RHS. Right hand side is proved, okay? Okay, now question number 9, question number 10 and question number 11 is your home task, okay? You the questions is to prove only. Whatever I have done, you follow the same process, okay? And you try to prove these questions. And if you find any difficulties on these questions, then you let me know, okay? So this much for today's class. We will continue in the next class, okay? Thank you.